Macros are a very powerful way to record an action that maybe you do repetitively and store it for later. Let's take a look. First, we'll want to open up the Developer tab, and if that's not already an option for you, just click on File, Options, Customize Ribbon. Then here on the right, we'll make sure the checkbox is there for Developer, and click OK. Now we'll go to the Developer tab, and on the left here we have our macro options. Let's click on Record Macro, and we'll give it a name. We'll call this one Schedule, and we can store it in this workbook, open up a new workbook, or store it in our own personal database that is available no matter which workbook we're in. For now, we'll go ahead and click on this workbook and click OK. And now we know that our macro is currently recording because this record button is switched to a stop recording button. And let's go ahead and make our schedule. We'll go day, date, hours, rate, and pay. Then we'll go Sunday, Monday. Let's save a little time by clicking these first two and then clicking the fill handle and going down to Saturday. Since we'd established a pattern here, whenever we click the fill handle, it's going to predict that we want Tuesday, Wednesday, and so forth. And maybe we want this top row. I'll click on the Home tab to make them bold and maybe underlined. And let's click and drag this whole area. Maybe we want an entire border around it. So let's click that border drop-down menu and click on Outside Borders. And let's highlight this last section here. Maybe we want that to have its own color, maybe green. Maybe we want that to have its own border also. We'll put a left border on that. Now when we click off, you can see we have a nice little schedule set up here. And if I click back to the Developer tab and click Stop Recording, all this data has been recorded. Now let's open up a new sheet and click on our macros. Now let's run our schedule. Click Run, and voila. We have all that stored data ready to go at the click of a button. And that's how you create a macro in Excel.